Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the topic. Pure Barre, found online at www.purebarre.com, is a fitness technique that concentrates on low-impact, small movements to sculpt and tone your muscles. The method uses a ballet bar to maintain balance while performing isometric exercises, targeting specific muscle groups like thighs, glutes, abs, and arms. This workout is designed to create long, lean muscles without adding bulk, promoting a physique similar to that of a dancer. Classes typically involve a series of small, precise movements repeated multiple times, coupled with light weights and resistance bands to further challenge the muscles. The emphasis on proper form and mindful movement ensures a safe and effective workout. Beyond the physical benefits, Pure Barre also focuses on improving posture, flexibility, and balance. Many participants report feeling increased strength, improved body awareness, and a sense of accomplishment after attending classes regularly. Pure Barre studios offer a variety of class formats to cater to different fitness levels and goals, including classic Pure Barre, Pure Empower, cardio-focused, and Pure Reform, resistance training. The supportive studio environment and motivating instructors contribute to a positive and encouraging workout experience. For those interested in trying Pure Barre, many studios provide introductory offers or free classes. This allows potential clients to experience the workout firsthand and decide if it's the right fit for their fitness journey. Pure Barre also offers online classes and on-demand workouts, providing flexible options for those who prefer to exercise at home or while traveling. With its unique approach to fitness, Pure Barre provides a challenging yet rewarding workout that helps individuals achieve their desired physique and overall well-being. For those looking to enhance their strength, flexibility, and body composition, Pure Barre could be a valuable addition to their fitness routine. Check out their website for more information on class schedules, pricing, and locations. It's worth exploring the benefits of this targeted, low-impact exercise method.